just going to show you a few little hints and tips using the guitar here on GarageBand. So you'll notice that when you open it up, if you obviously go on live loops, you've got all of that kind of thing to explore there, but I'm going to stick on tracks here. Different ones you could do down here. You could do a smart guitar, notes, scales. Click on more sounds, it gives you different types of guitars we could use. Just for now, I'm going to stick with acoustic. So here we go. When you open it up, it looks like this, and you'll notice first thing off that you can switch between chords and notes. So if you're teaching exactly how to play guitar with different notes, then this is really handy. You can also swap between the chords, and you can have all of the different chords up on screen as well. As well as having the different chords, if you didn't want to play the full chord, you can still play the different strings from those chords if you wanted to as well. You can also, instead of just tapping the top of the chord, because that's what I'm doing at the moment, just tapping that little top triangle bit at the top, instead of tapping that bit, if you wanted to, you can drag your finger all the way down and it will play the entire chord for you. Now you'll notice there's a bit over here at the side that says off 1, 2, 3, 4 and autoplay. These are different pre-recorded tunes that you can play with the guitar. So if I swap onto 1, and then you can press any of those chords and it will play for you a little pre-recorded tune. So I'm just going to stick with a C. And you can hear that tune in a C. If I then wanted to keep that tune, so exactly the same tune, but I'm swapping it out to a different chord. Or I wanted to swap to a different one, I've gone for a 3 now. Slightly different. You can also, whilst you're doing those, if I wanted to do a little bit of acoustic and then I wanted to swap it over to something a little bit more different, if I wanted to go to a hard rock, then I can carry on with my tune. Still on 2. So you can see how there are different pre-recorded tunes in the different types of guitars available for you. If you didn't want to create one yourself, there are 4 different options there that you could choose from.